there was a chance of snow in Myrtle Beach this weekend.
But this is all we got. So we decided to come to Maggie Valley, North Carolina to play in the snow.
Road trip.
What's happening, everybody? We took a short vacation from Myrtle Beach and headed to the beautiful Smoky Mountains to have some fun in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. But if you're new to this channel and like seeing things around the beach, click that subscribe button to see weekly videos that we post of things around the Myrtle Beach area. And, of course, more Maggie Valley videos to soon follow. Here's how our weekend adventure went. So the first thing we did was unloaded our stuff in our room at Jonathan Creek Inn, and it was in the snow. And check out these views from behind the inn.
You got the fire pit. I don't know if you can see it, but it's still snow flurries coming down. And that's where we're at, Jonathan Creek.
It continued snowing off and on, so we decided to walk across the street and get something to eat at the famous Joey's Pancake House.
Hey y'all, hey, we're here at Joey's Pancake House in Maggie Valley. And is this coffee delicious?
Well, that was Joey's Pancake House. It was delicious. What'd you think?
Man, it was delicious. Probably one of my favorites so far. Let's go check out some more stuff.
All right, look at the snow. And after the snow let up, we decided to go sightseeing. And when you're in Maggie Valley this time of year, you know you gotta go snow tubing.
Hey y'all, we're down here in Maggie Valley at the Tube World. Let's go ride some slopes.
We got our tickets. Ready to go. How much they cost?
$30 for 2 hours.
$30 for 2 hours to ride the tubes. all that tubing, it was dinner time. Here's another popular place right here in Maggie Valley, J. Arthur's. The next morning, the snow had stopped, so we drove down to Country Fiddles and got breakfast. Now it's time for more sightseeing around the mountains. Someone had the idea of going hiking at Soco Falls. This was more time consuming than we thought, so we'll post an entire video on this soon. Later that evening, we took the kids way up the mountain to go skiing at Cataloochee Ski Area. We didn't feel like breaking our leg, so we just watched them fall down about 6,000 times. Besides, that's a long way up the mountain to have to get airlifted back down. Then again, we had no idea superheroes were on this mountain. Overall, Maggie Valley was a refreshing change of pace from the beach. If you get a chance, you should try to make it here on your next visit to the Smoky Mountains. Just be safe and try not to wipe out like I did on the tubes. Thanks for watching.